Are you working like 40 plus hours a week, but you still don't have enough time or money to do the things that you actually want to do in your life? What if you could make $900 or more working just 2 hours around your schedule? So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can do that. Okay, so what this is like an all-in-one business in a box. Okay, a turnkey business. Like we give you everything. Digital products, a sales funnel, community training support. So we give you the digital products that you can learn from and resell, and you earn 100% profit per sale. So I'm going to show you what this looks like. Let me share my screen real quick. Okay. And if you're new here, my name is Dan, and I'm from Michigan. And I used to be a monk for 10 years, and now I just help everyday people make money online without having to work a job. So let me share my screen. So the reason why I started this business is because the company that I was working for like 5 years, they decided to cut our pay in half and they only gave us a 3 week notice. So my income was cut in half, right? And I decided I never want to work a job again. So I went online to figure out how to make money. I tried making money online before, but I failed miserably. Like I tried for years. I tried affiliate marketing programs and multi-level marketing, and I basically spent more money than I made. And then I discovered this blueprint back in 2024, and I've made thousands of dollars with this so far. So that should tell you something because I tried hard to make money with affiliate marketing. I tried hard to make money with multi-level marketing and I had no success. But with this business, I've made thousands so far. And we've created 100 six-figure income earners inside of our community. And yeah, soon there's going to be a millionaire. Like the top earners made between $4 to $5 million. And then we have another person who's made like over $900,000. So soon we're going to have two millionaires created inside of this community too. So this is what we sell, digital products right here. Digital products in the e-learning industry. This is like digital marketing training. It's going to teach you everything you need to know about digital marketing, how to launch an online business. It doesn't even matter what you're selling. You like once you learn these skills, you can promote anything. So you're going to learn how to launch a digital business. You're going to learn how to attract customers. You're going to learn how to build an email list, build multiple streams of income, brand yourself, grow a following on social media from scratch, monetize your social media channels as well. That's the kind of stuff you're going to learn inside of these programs. And then there's also live mentoring from 6 and 7 figure income earners inside of our community. So you're selling these four different digital programs, right? 100, 300, 600, and 900. And we give you the programs, plus you get to use this same website that I'm showing you right now. You get to use the same exact website, right? So you don't have to create your own website. Like, a website like this, it would cost you thousands of dollars if you paid someone to create a website like this for you. It would literally cost you thousands of dollars because I did my research about that. And not only do you get a website, but you get your own sales funnel, okay? So this is the beginning of the sales funnel. This is how we make money while we're sleeping or doing anything, right? This is called a capture page, okay? So you're capturing people's emails. They go to your link, they put their email in, you're building your email list, and once they're inside of your automations, they can buy from you at any time because we're sending them emails, okay, every single day on autopilot. And then once they put their email in, they're going to go to this next page. It's called the thank you page, okay? Now, this video explains everything, how this whole business works, how like everything, how the program works, what the program is, and then see how this so they're gonna go here and they'll click on the button and then they can buy from you, right? They watch the video, they click here, it takes them here. You see how the funnel works? Then we have all these different wins inside of the community. Then we have another video that we send out to people's emails, okay? So that's another video for the emails. Let me show you the emails. Let me just load this real quick. So yeah, it's going to take a second to load. And so they watch this video and again, they click on this button so they can buy from you and it takes them to your website, right? So yeah. And then they click on one of the sales buttons and they can purchase one of the products. So they purchase one of the programs and then you get paid instantly 100% profit directly to you. Okay. You get paid through your payment processor like Stripe, Square, PayPal, like that. Okay. Oh, I deleted that page accidentally. But anyways, so yeah, so that is how the system works. Let me go here. Let me just get that page set up again. Okay, there it is. So they start here, they go through your sales funnel, and then they can buy from you here. Okay, this is how we make money in our sleep because these pages are out there working for you 24/7, right? Okay. So how would an extra $900 a day change your life? That's $27,000 a month and $328,000 a year. In 3 years or less, you could be a millionaire. Okay. It's going to happen to somebody in our community. One person's made, $4 to $5 million already with this business. And we launched this business last year in 2024. And another person, her name is Wendy, she's about to make, she's at like $900,000 based on selling this program and everything she's learned inside of the program, because she's also learned how to create her own community, which she's monetized, and she's also learned how to create her own products, which she's monetizing as well. Okay. So there's 50,000 people in our community. We've made $29 million in sales in 10 months. And we teach you how to get your first sale in 7 days. So people ask me, like, how long does it take to make money? We teach you how to get your first sale in 7 days. You become a licensed reseller of this program, you get certified. Okay. There's testimonials on the website. You put your picture here, you put your bio here. Imagine if you can earn $900 in passive income with just 2 hours of work. So we have a 2 hour workday. So basically, that 2 hour workday, all you're doing is you post 3 pieces of content to social media. We teach you social media marketing, 3 pieces of content a day, at least minimum, and you can also go live. Now, Wendy, who's made over $900,000, she only went live like 3 times. Okay, because I saw she did a training recently and she mentioned she only went live like 3 times. All she does is post content and she loves to post content on YouTube. So she has a training in our program that teaches you how to use YouTube, okay? That's how I'm growing my YouTube based on what I've learned inside of the community. So imagine if you could work from anywhere, you have freedom to travel, live life, build a profitable brand that attracts customers, okay, without having to work a job. So people go to your website, they purchase the 100, the 300, or the 600, or the 900, and there's also payment plans available. And then this just shows everything that's inside of the program. So if you want to see this website, just go to sevenfiguremonk.com. If you want to get started, just go to sevenfiguremonk.com. Or if you just want to read everything on the website, then you can go here. Okay. So this shows you what you're going to learn: how to make 6 figures in 6 months, how to build recurring income streams, how to do email marketing and list building, affiliate marketing strategies, how to use ChatGPT to 10x your productivity. I use ChatGPT all the time. It's my number one assistant. How to make 100% profit, finding your ideal customer, mastering storytelling and content, build a strong brand identity, discover and attract customers, launch your own online business, automate your online business, set up social medias, how to post ads on the internet, grow a following on social media. So this is all the stuff that you're going to learn and more. Okay. And then, yeah, this is what your website will look like more or less, but you're not going to have my pictures in there. You can put whatever pictures you want. You can, it's already pre-built. You don't have to change anything, but if you want to change things, you can put your own pictures and stuff in. So, why is this business model, master resale rights, better than others? Because we earn 100% profit. You don't have to create anything. There's no inventory, there's no shipping. We sell proven products. These are proven demand, high demand products. Okay, because if you're doing affiliate marketing, you earn tiny commissions, drop shipping, low margins, a lot of work, high hassle. You got to do a lot of stuff, like dealing with suppliers and stuff and shipping and refunds. It's a lot of work. Like if you want to start your own business, the average small business costs like $50,000 to start. Plus, you have so many monthly expenses. Network marketing, you don't own your business, and there's monthly expenses, and you earn small commissions. You got to build a team. There's a lot of work that goes into that stuff. That's why this is so beginner friendly. It's the most beginner friendly business model out there, and it's the most profitable because we earn 100% profit. Okay. So, and you get all these bonuses. You get access to our community. You get a community trainers, community builders training, Canva crash course, how to create content with Canva, my first million in 17 months blueprint, 30-day market strategy PDF growth plan, your invisible empire, faceless marketing, 200 digital product ideas. Okay. And yeah, those are the bonuses you get. So let's say you want to join this program, you want to start this business, you purchase one of these programs, you pay $39 for your website, then you're going to have instant access to everything. So once you purchase one of the programs, you're going to have access to your products here. The certification training is here. Okay. So the products are just this training, the videos, the training, the information, the education. That's what the product is. Okay. It's e-learning. So you're going to learn all this stuff you probably don't know how to do yet, right? And then you get access to our community as well. So, and then here's all your bonuses. And then once you purchase the program, you just go into your program, right? And just watch here, click here to get started. Welcome to the program. So watch this. It's going to show you everything. Everything's a step-by-step process, right? You just follow the steps. You watch all the videos. You take notes, you implement what you learn. So one of the first things you got to do is you got to get your system set up. So you watch this video, website setup. You go to GoDaddy, you get a domain and a professional email address, okay? And then you got to set up your payment gateways, which you can do here. This shows you how to do everything. And then you got to connect your system. You got to connect your domain to your account. So we show you how to do everything. So what you're doing is you're setting up these pages. It's very simple. It took me a few hours to set up the pages, okay? So it doesn't take a lot of time. So you're setting up these pages, right? And that's how you receive your payments. And after you set up these pages, there's a training here. It's called a launch kit for your online business. Okay. So this is going to show you how to get your first sale in 7 days. Okay. And then after that, you just go through the rest of the trainings. Like there's so much training here: marketing, social media, discovery method, how to find and attract your customers, mastering storytelling and social media and video content, branding your business, all kinds of stuff like this. Okay. And then let's go into the community. If you go into the community, you can see what's going on here. Now, this is a bonus. You get a bonus. You get added to our community for free, okay? And there's 55,000 members in our community, and we're growing every single day, right? And inside of our classroom, you just go here, getting started, okay? This is going to give you like this is for the beginners. If you're brand new, getting started training, start here, okay? And then you have all these bonus trainings inside of our community. Not only do you have training in the program, but you have bonus trainings in the community too, like social media training, content vault. See, she just did a really good training, okay, for YouTube. She's made like $900,000. So you have all this social media training, content vault for creating content, 6 figures in 6 months training, mindset training, okay, all this stuff. And we're always adding more stuff. And then the calendar shows you when we have mentoring calls. So we have mentoring with Ashley today, Legacy Builder training tomorrow, which is Millionaire Mentoring. We have a free webinar in a couple days. You can invite people to this webinar, and then the webinar will like do the selling for you, which is really cool. So you send out emails, you invite people to the webinar. We teach you how to do that. Okay. So like I said, all you got to do to get started, you purchase one of the programs, you pay $39 for your website, just like I did. I started with a $900 program, and I made thousands of dollars so far. So all you need is one sale and your business is free. Two sales and your business is in profit. Two sales is all you need, and then you're in profit, which is huge. Okay. So, like I said, you set up your business and then you plug into the community. You're following a 2 hour workday, right? Post 3 pieces of content a day to social media, and you can also go live. And you can also copy and paste free ads. But if you don't want to go live, you can just post as much content as you want. Okay. Like, look at my YouTube page, right? I post long videos every day. Not every day, but I post long videos and these long videos are over 10 minutes. Okay, like this video I'm making right now is a long video, long form. Then I have all my short form videos, right? So like talking videos are really easy to do. You just press record, you talk for like a minute or less. And you can also use scripts, okay? You can read from scripts. There's teleprompter features that you can use on like there's apps and there's like features on, like social media where you can just read from a script, okay? And like we teach you how to use ChatGPT, so ChatGPT will create a chat script for you. You just have to read from it. You don't even have to create your own words, okay? So it's never been easier to create content, right? See all these titles, like on my content, you see how I have titles here? You can use ChatGPT to help you create these titles too, okay? And there's different ways to create content, and you're going to learn all kinds of stuff. And then once you're inside of the community, you can follow the other top earners and you can see how they create content because modeling off of people that are, successful, that's what smart people do. Okay. They see people that are successful and they model after them. Okay. You don't copy everything they do word for word, but you model after the successful people. Okay. Here's my lives. I go live. Okay. Like I like to go live on TikTok and YouTube. Going live is optional, but I just personally like to do it. And it just gives more exposure for your business. Okay. And it just helps you with like speaking too. And then the cool thing on like YouTube, I really like YouTube. It's my favorite. Excuse me. Excuse me. You can post these like pictures and words. So you can do written content on YouTube as well. Like you can like see this is a value post. I'm just sharing some value with people, like a motivational, inspirational quote. Okay, and then I just have some words. So this is just value. It's not about my business. This is like an ad for my business, obviously, right? Here's like little cartoons I was creating, which is kind of fun. And it's like a story. It's like storytelling right there. But I'm taking people through like, the buyer's journey with these little cartoons that I do. So a lot of stuff you can do. There's no limit to like creating content. There's so many ways you can do it, and we're going to teach you stuff, but I think it's fun. Like if you like to create, if you're a creative person and you enjoy creating stuff, then I think creating content's a lot of fun. So that's it. That's the business. If you see an opportunity, just go here, sevenfiguremonk.com. There's a link in the description. Just go there, put in your best email, check your spam, check your promotions folder for the word blueprint. You can launch your business whenever you want. Okay. You can reply to my emails if you have questions, and you can unsubscribe at any time. Right. So make sure to like this video, share this video with someone you know. If you know someone who's stressed out financially, they're overworked and they're underpaid, make sure to share this video with them, and make sure to subscribe to the channel because I'm going to be offering as much value as possible about how to make money online and mindset training and all kinds of stuff. Okay. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day. God bless.